Ever explained a data pipeline or a cloud migration to a non-technical stakeholder and really just watch their eyes glaze over faster than Geordie LaForge explaining warp theory to Captain Picard? We have all been there. Maybe not explaining warp theory, but explaining pipelines or ETL or Python. You've put in hours into building some brilliant solution that you're incredibly proud of, only to see your stakeholders' excitement continue to fade and dwindle and even their attention disappear as you really start to dive into some of the technical aspects of your project. Non-technical team members feel lost, oftentimes frustrated, and start to just mentally check out. Instead of becoming the hero of clarity, you are stuck with a room full of glazed over eyes and unspoken frustration. Why does this happen? Because technical professionals, even awesome data engineers, often forget that their audience isn't fluent in data ease. They overlook the critical question every stakeholder is silently asking themselves. What's in it for me? AKA WIFM. So non-technical stakeholders, primarily, they're caring about how the solutions really are affecting their day-to-day responsibilities, their goals, how they're able to succeed in their business, and not the intricate technical process behind the scenes that is going on. Here's how you turn that around. Understand your audience's WIFM. Clearly articulate the outcomes, direct benefits, and the impacts that matter the most to your audience. Show them how your solution saves them time, grows revenue, reduces risk, or simplifies their workflows. Analogies are your best friend. Describe complex ideas simply. Data storage isn't just storage solutions. It's like a well-organized library, easy to search, retrieve, and manage. Your audience starts nodding along instead of glazing over. Simplify your language. Avoid jargon. Replace terms like ETL pipelines with moving and organizing data so that it's easy to use. Simplify OLTP versus OLAP to recording transaction actions versus analyzing business trends. Keeping language accessible really makes everyone feel included, confident, and like you are understanding their issues. Visualize your point. Use as many visuals as you can to start to bridge the gap between that technical jargon and technical pieces of your project and what's in it for them. A quick diagram illustrating the data flow of how things flow from the various sources that they may be accessing the data now into what that endpoint is going to be for them really will help to solidify the process in their mind. You know, there is nothing like having a dashboard that is clear, easy to read, and they understand where the data is coming from. Tell a story. People, they like to naturally engage with stories. Describe how your data solution really solved a business issue, clearly contrasting what they do now and what they will do in the future. Stories resonate really emotionally and make abstract concepts so much more relatable. And if you could tie it into an impact in their bottom line or their own personal pocketbook, it's going to be that much better and you're going to get that much more buy-in. So, next, I'm going to share a quick example of a situation that I was in and how I was able to really win over the stakeholders. Let me share this quick example with you. I worked one time with this AVP named Megan. She was amazing. I really enjoyed working with her. And in this specific situation, she was struggling with some inaccurate project forecasts from her construction managers. And it was really causing some daily stress when she was meeting with the leaders from the vendor businesses that were performing the work. I simply said, your current sales forecasting is like trying to navigate a road trip with an outdated map. I've built in GPS for your business data that is accurate, timely, and will guide you to exactly where you need to go. Immediately, Megan understood the value. The WIFM for her was crystal clear. The project got immediate buy-in, and her team's forecasting immediately improved. This saved the project managers hours a week of gathering information from various sources, putting it all in their trackers, and then trying to roll it up and report it all to her. Now, they all had their own dashboard that they were easily able to go to, have immediate access to real-time information when they were having conversations with their vendor counterparts. The lesson here, effective communication doesn't mean simplifying to the point of losing the meaning of your project. It is all about aligning your technical solutions directly with the stakeholder interests. Keep these principles in mind when you're having these conversations. Identify and speak directly to your audiences with them. Again, that's what's in it for me. Use relatable analogies and clear language. Again, when I say relatable analogies, I mean analogies that really can drive home that impact to your specific audience. Leverage visuals to simplify complexity. Tell compelling stories with real tangible business outcomes that your stakeholders are going to key into and be excited about. Mastering these are going to elevate your role from technical expert to trusted advisor. Now, it's your turn. Let me know down below, what is the toughest technical concept that you've had to explain to a stakeholder? And what story or analogy did you use to successfully communicate that? Also, let me know what topics you would like to see covered in future videos. I use that information to schedule and forecast my future content for you. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a like and share it with others. Be sure to subscribe for more as I continue to go through other data engineering concepts and demos. I look forward to seeing you again soon.